Okay, so next up, I wanted to talk about how to administer the content on the home page itself. So this is the home page. The home page is made up of different sections. So there's the header section at the top, which is the logo, the video, and behind the video, there's an image as well. So while the page is loading, it will show you the image, and then once the video is loaded, it will show you the video. And then we've got four sections. We've got a who we are section, then we've got an image, and then we've got the partners and supporters section, and then we've got an image, then we've got the join an event section, then we've got an image, and then we've got a watch our videos section, and then that's the end. So only the admin user can administer the header section, which is the video, the image behind it, and this logo here. But anyone can edit the content on these four sections here. Now these sections behind the scenes are actually just pages. I'll show you. They're actually just pages here. And the four sections are here on the list. Who we are is the first one. And then underneath those, you can see those little dashes. Underneath who we are, we've got partners and supporters, join an event, watch our videos. So they're the four sections on the website. And they're all administered through just as pages, as normal pages. But they don't show anywhere on the website apart from the home page. That's the main difference. I've done videos about how to use the media library, how to edit text in here called the Gutenberg block editor, and I've done also other videos on how to edit pages in general. So the only difference you need to know once you've watched those videos, the only difference about the home page pages is this featured image here. So if we go to document here on the right and go down to featured images, normally we don't add a featured image to a page, only to a blog post. On the home page, we do add the featured image, and that featured image is what's shown on the home page above that section. So there's the section of editing, and then above that, it shows that featured image. So I could even replace this image. Again, I've got a video on how to use the media library, but if I go to homepage black and white images, I could change that for any other image. Make sure you put alt text and a title, hit save, and hit update, and it will update the homepage there. Okay. So lastly, I'll just talk you through editing the content here on the header. So for this bit, you have to be logged in as admin. Am I logged in as admin? Yes. So to edit the content at the top here, you log in as admin, and then you go to appearance and customize. I generally advise you don't go in here much because you can break the website if you do something silly, but I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing is site identity. There you go. That lets you upload the logo that goes there. The next thing is header media. That lets you upload the video that's displayed. Again, it's just in the media library. And when you first go to the home page, while the video is loading, it will show you an image here instead. It will show you an image in this section here. So that image you can set here. Add new image, hide image. Or you could use one of the previous ones that I've tried out. And I think that's about it. Widgets, homepage settings. What's in homepage settings? Ah, okay. This funky scrolling effect, if you want to switch that off, you can do. Well, it'll just load a preview of the page. And now it just scrolls like a normal page. This is how it looks on smartphones anyway. But we'll switch back on the funky scrolling effect because I like it. Okay, great. Okay. And then once you've made those changes, you can hit publish, and that will update it on the front end of the website. The last thing to mention are these logo sliders here. So on the home page, the second section is a carousel of different logos of our partners and supporters. You can edit these on the back end as well. You don't have to be logged in as admin. I don't want to save these changes. I have to be very careful when I go into this section not to do anything that could make the site look stupid. All right. So to edit the images and the links in the logo carousel, you would go to TC logo slider. This is just a plugin that I use. I don't know what TC stands for. And here are all the different logos in the slider. And each logo has an image attached to it and also a link as well. So if I click on any of these images, let's click on standard chartered. No, I haven't wired those ones up properly yet. Which ones have I wired up properly? There we go. WIPRO. When I click on that, it's going to take us to the WIPRO homepage. So, what if I wanted to add a new one in? Right, what I'll do is I'll go to the old website, so the homepage, and pick a new one. Here we go, I found it. Let's use this one, community first. Okay. So if we go back to our admin console, we haven't got that community first yet, so let's add it in. So we'll go to add new logo. We don't want to give it a title because we don't display any text above the logo. It's just the logo itself. We'll give it a title anyway, so at least we know which one's which. What was the title? It was Community First. Right, here we're going to upload the image for it. I think I might already have image in the media library. Homepage logos. Yeah, Community First. But we don't have a alt text or title, so Community First logo. And then I'm going to copy and paste that. So I'm going to do Control A to highlight it all, Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste. Okay, so we've now selected Community First. We've set the alt text, we've set the title. We can click Set Featured Image. It's going to add that there. And then the next and last thing we need to do is say, when we click on that logo, what page do you want to go to? So when we click on that logo, it takes us to this page here. So we want to copy and paste that to there. Brilliant. Now we just hit, right, what else do we need to edit? Yes. As with forum posts, there's categories of them. So if I don't click here, it won't know to add it to the homepage slider. So I click homepage supporters logo carousel and then click publish. Now, when I go to the homepage and refresh the page, hopefully it should be here somewhere. There we go, there it is. And if I click on it, it'll take us to the web page. Okay, finally, if you want to edit them or delete them, you can just go back to the list and click trash to delete it or edit to edit it. Okay, that's it. That concludes the home page video.